Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create our first Django app. So let's get started. First things first, I need to go to my computer and I'm going to my documents, and here I'm going to create my project. So I have a folder already created called bestofpython, because in this way it's going to be much easier for me to handle all the work I'm doing. So let's come inside this folder. I'm going to open the terminal and I'm going to create my Django project. But before we do anything, we need to go ahead and activate our virtual environment. So let's do that first. So it's going to be source, activate, and it's going to be bestofpython. Great. And now I'm going to create the project. django-admin, start project, and it's going to be mysite. Okay. Let's look at the files. Okay, we have the folder called mysite. Let's go inside that. Okay, and we have manage.py and mysite. So let's run the server and see what's going to happen. So python manage.py run server, and let's shit run on the port 8000. Great. Okay, there's no errors. Don't worry about this for now. Let's copy this and open up a Google Chrome, paste and run it. Okay, now I see that we have an issue here. It says disallowed host and it tells us invalid HTTP host header. So what this tells you is that we need to go ahead and add this host in order for us to see the website. So let's do that first. Okay, we'll go to my site. I'm going here and I'm going to setting.py. So this is your project name and this is your actual project site where all the primary files are located, and here you have the settings. So that's why we're going to edit. So I'm going to go here, click on the edit, and right in here, allowed host, I am going to add that host ID. Okay, save the file, exit. Okay, no errors. Let's go and refresh. Great. Here you are. You have installed Django successfully. Brilliant. So now in the future videos, we can start working on a nice app. See you there.